Hi. Um, Today I'm gonna be unboxing Impala's roller skates I got from Amazon. Sorry, I was closing now. Okay, so I got this from Amazon for $100. Now the price went up, and they're like 130 or 40 around there. And I got the size a bit small, so I got a size 6, but I'm a size 7 because they're a bit tight in front. I'll go more into when I unbox it. It's really surprising when you open it. Like, two things when you first put your hands on it, it's really surprising. The reasons why I always ride rollerblades, but I started to ride. I wanted to buy roller skates, not because everyone else is getting roller skates. It's because I want to try something new. I was thinking about buying rollerblades and then roller skates, but then I changed my mind back to rollerblades, and I was like, I should do something. I should try to learn something new. So I got roller skates that don't fit me. Alright, let's get unboxing. So when I got this from Amazon. It came in a big box, and when I opened it, there was another box. And then I opened it and I finally got to this box. So, yeah, that was strange. Alright, so this is the box. Let's get a nice look. So, you open it. When I first got it, I was so confused where to open it. But where there's the handle, you just open it from the top. And then open it like this. So, when you first open it, the skates come in a bag. Like, wrapped in a bag. They have this weird smell when you open it. Like, when you, take it out of the bag. Still have the weird smell, but it's not that bad. It's not like a stink smell. So, let me get these skates out. When you first get them, they're not like laced up all the way like this one. They're like halfway laced, like demonstrate it like right here. They're halfway laced, and up here would be tied up. It would be tied up, so you would like undo it yourself. Toast whips, paper, the plastic. I'm gonna close this. Okay. So I got. I'm not sure of the name. I should check, but I got these black. Alright, so it's like black, but it has some glitter. You can probably see it a little bit, but like in the sun you can see it way more. So it's like pink. It's blue, like tiny glitters. Right here is blue. Inside the cushion is blue. Right here. Toast up. Wait, I want you to get a good look. Oh yeah, so when you like get it out of the box, it's like so heavy when you first grab it, but it isn't as heavy now because I'm too used to like holding it a lot. But when you grab it out of the box, it's so heavy. And the boot, right? It's like plastically. It's so hard. Like, you can't even bend this right hand. Like, It's so hard to bend this, to add like a crease. And here it was so hard to bend, but I flexed it a little bit, like bent it, so it's more flexible right here. Right here too, it was so hard. Right here. But when it's like when you first get out of the box, you can't even like push this as hard. So it's more flex. And the reason I try to bend it more, so it isn't as stiff, but when I put them on, it was perfect, right? It wasn't too big in the top. It was just the side. It was it was tight right there, like on the side, like in the top, but like the side. And I tried like all my best to make it work, and it didn't work, but I can still feel the pain, so I have to change them. I can't skate like that. Yeah. White laces. There's cushion here, like a and the wheels. So when you spin them, they're not fast. They don't go really fast. Oh wait, this one. See, it's not like keep going. I mean, they're okay, but when I put these on, I was going fast. With one push, I was like zooming. Oh my god, I was going fast. Oh yeah, toe stomp. Here's the toe stomp. Get a closer look. Impalas. It has the name in the front and in the back. Oops. Oops. It's so hard. Like people would have mostly complaints of with in a couple of months this part coming out, but I don't see this coming out anytime soon because it's like so hard. Like right there, I can't even squeeze that. Like not even like on the sides right here. It's so hard. I think this is a new improvement they did, so it can last longer, where the skates don't come apart. Wow, it's so hard. So I'm gonna put these skates on and show you how they look. This is how it looks on. I only have one skate on. Don't mind these laces. They're bad enough. I had to make them tighter. That's why it doesn't like look quite enough. And this is how it looks in the light. See a bit more sparkles. Sorry, wait, I don't want my neighbor to think I'm recording them.